Take water.
Are you out of your mind or what? You know that I am not feeling well. You have bought cold water for me. You should have brought hot water. Hold this.
I will bring it.
And yes, don't get it so hot that I can't even drink it. Go get it now.
Take this hot water. Actually, I was thinking for few days to go to maternal house, missing my parents a lot.
But when you just went, now you are asking me to go again.
It's been 11 months of that thing.
It's okay. You can go after 2 3 months.
But
Look, I have some office trips. I have to go out for that. So let it be for now. And today you talked about your home thing. Don't you dare to talk about going home. You got it?
hmm, okay.
Hello? Hey, how are you?
Yes, tell me, why you suddenly called me? Is everything okay? Uh, everything is okay, but nothing is okay. What happened? Why are you saying like this? Tell me the truth. What is it? Pooja, in me and Sagar, there is nothing right. On every small thing, he gets angry. He tries to control me. I'm not able to understand what to do, how to talk to him. Hey, so about this thing, directly talk to him now. If a third person will intervene in this, he won't like this, and you also won't like this. As a friend, I will suggest you this only, that you yourself handle the situation. It won't good if any third person will say something. You understood now? I want to speak to you.
Tell me.
I don't think that for a long time we will stay together.
What a video, man.
I'm saying something, can't you listen?
Now you will talk to me like this?
Yes, I will do. Because it's very important to talk. I'm done with you, your nature and your behavior. I can't stay like this, Sagar. If I want to talk to you about something, I have to think 100 times before that. That I don't know how you will react on this thing. Whole day at home, I'm thinking that in the evening you will come. I don't know on which thing you will get angry. You will fight from me. I can't even share my things with anyone else. Before marriage, you are not like that. So, what happened? Your behavior has gotten changed. You remember last time when you took me out? You got gift for me. You talked to me very well. Sagar, I have tried very well that I can manage this relation, but I can't do this anymore. I'm done with this. I'm broken.
Uh, Swara, please forgive me. I didn't realize when I became like this. And to be honest, I used to think it will be better if I will control my wife. But you see, because of controlling you, I snatched away all our happiness. Please forgive me. And in a relationship, it is very important to be happy between husband and wife. And look what I did. I snatched away our happiness from our relationship. Please forgive me. It won't happen again. I'm so sorry. And I love you so much.